Hi there, and welcome to the video on how to manage your email preferences from an organization using SmartRec. Let's dive in. Head to your personal account and click on the Communications tab. This is where we can view and manage email communications from organizations you shop with that use SmartRec. To enable emails from a specific organization, look under the Email Subscriptions section. This is a list of all organizations you have shopped with, and clicking on this checkbox will enable emails from them. If you still aren't seeing emails, try checking your spam folder. If you find emails still end up in your spam folder, you can try saving the organization's email and Amelia's email, notifications@amelia.com, to your contact list. That's all there is to it. See you next time.